Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of home workouts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to spice up your routine, this 2-minute guide will equip you with practical tips to elevate your home exercise game. Let's jump right in. 1. Set up your space. The first step to a successful home workout is creating an inviting exercise space. Clear out clutter, make sure you have enough room to move, and invest in a comfortable exercise mat. A dedicated workout space helps set the tone for a focused and energized session. 2. Plan your routine. Structure is key to an effective home workout. Plan your routine in advance, focusing on a balance of cardio, strength, and flexibility exercises. Apps or online videos can provide guided workouts tailored to your fitness level. Having a plan ensures you make the most out of your time and target different muscle groups. 3. Mix it up. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your workouts. Keep things interesting by incorporating a mix of exercises. Try different workout styles like HIIT, yoga, or bodyweight exercises. This not only prevents boredom but also challenges your body in new ways, promoting overall fitness. 4. Use household items as equipment. Don't have access to fancy gym equipment? No problem. Get creative and use household items as makeshift exercise equipment. Grab a sturdy chair for step-ups, use water bottles as weights, or utilize a towel for sliding exercises. You'd be surprised at the effective workouts you can create with everyday items. 5. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing the benefits of your workout. Take the time to learn and practice correct form for each exercise. Quality over quantity is key. If you're unsure, check online tutorials or consider hiring a virtual trainer for personalized guidance. 6. Stay consistent and listen to your body. Consistency is the secret sauce to fitness success. Schedule regular workout sessions and stick to them as much as possible. However, it's equally important to listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued or experiencing pain, it's okay to take a rest day or modify your workout. Your health and well-being come first. There you have it. A quick guide to elevating your home workout routine. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fitness content and let me know in the comments if you have specific workout requests or questions. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, and every workout brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.